crab. Cooked crab. You gotta miss this, Ingrid. You gotta miss this.
Ingrid, this is your cousin Jordan. You still remember? I'll take this occasion to greet you. Happy birthday. We missed you here in Harvard. Yeah, we missed you here. So happy birthday, and we love you. And hope to see you as soon as possible time. I love you, cousin.
Hi, Ian. Happy birthday. I'm sorry we missed you here. But anyway, enjoy your birthday, okay? Take care.
Enjoy your birthday, Ingrid. Okay.
What are you having, guys?
Chicken.
Chocolate drizzle.
Sorry, Ingrid, you're not
Catching up.
around.
Yeah,
Catching up for lost time. Ingrid, happy birthday. It will be her birthday on June 5. Oh, greet me happy birthday too. My birthday is on June 22.
Me first. You're sick.
I
You're
just
sick.